Hi everybody, welcome to my chain rule basics video. Now the chain rule goes by several names. I call it the chain rule. Others call it the onion rule. And some even call it the inside-outside rule. But the basics say this. Let's say we have the function y equals f of g of x. In other words, we have one function nested inside the other function. This is the inside, and that is the outside. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to take the derivative of the outside first and then take the derivative of the inside. So watch what happens here when we do this. Okay, so that becomes dy dx equals, well, the derivative of the outside, so that's f prime, leaving the inside alone, times the derivative of the inside. Okay, so let's see what that means in a real question. All right, so we're going to keep this here. Just do an example real quick. Y equals x squared minus 6x to the fourth power. Okay, now when you approach one of these, you have to decide what's outside and what's inside. And in this example, notice the exponent of 4 is your outside, and what is inside of parentheses is your inside. Okay, so let's work this problem. We'd say y prime is equal to outside first. So we bring the 4 down, just a simple power rule, leaving the inside alone. Okay, simple power rule question. Times. Now that we do the derivative of the inside, which is 2x minus 6. Be sure to put that in parentheses like so, and that way there's a full distinction between the pieces. So let's try some more examples here. All right, we'll call this example 2. Okay, so, well, notice the outside again is the exponent. The inside is the quantity inside the parentheses. So, derivative. Deal with the exponent first according to the power rule, leaving the inside intact. Do not mess with the inside until after you've dealt with the outside. So subtract 1 and we get this. Now times the derivative of the inside, which is 8x plus 2. And that's your derivative. Okay, let's kick it up a notch with a trig function. Okay, well, your outside this time still is your sine function, and your inside is your square, x squared. Okay, so if we take the derivative, we get derivative of the outside. Everybody knows it's cosine, but then we leave the inside intact, times then 2x, which is the derivative. All right, let's do one more and we'll wrap it up here. Okay, cosecant 3x minus 1. So once again, we take the derivative of the outside, which is cosecant, and multiply it times the derivative of the inside. Well, if we remember our derivative of cosecant is negative, cosecant, then keep the angle, cotangent, keep the angle, times the derivative of the inside, which in this case is just 3. And that is the simple form of the chain rule. And we'll be looking at this some more over the next couple of days. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and we will see you tomorrow.